Welcome to the RCC podcast by Richard's Commerce Classes. In this session, we will discuss all about micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics and macroeconomics are the two main branches of modern economics. The term micro is derived from the Greek word mikros, which means small or a millionth part. The term macro is derived from the Greek word makros, which means large. Meaning of microeconomics: micro means a small part of a thing. Microeconomics thus deals with a small part of the national economy. It studies the economic actions and behavior of individual units such as an individual consumer, individual producer or a firm, the price of a particular commodity or a factor, and so on. Definitions of microeconomics according to Morris Dobb. Microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. Let's move on to the scope of microeconomics. The scope of microeconomics includes 1. Theory of product pricing, which studies the demand and supply analysis. 2. Theory of factor pricing, that is rent, wages, interest and profit. And 3. Theory of economic welfare, which studies efficiency in production, efficiency in consumption and overall economic efficiency. Next up are the features of microeconomics. 1. Study of individual units. 2. Price theory. 3. Partial equilibrium. 4. Based on certain assumptions like perfect competition, laissez-faire policy, pure capitalism, full employment. 5. Slicing method. 6. Use of marginalism principle. 7. Analysis of market structure. And 8. Limited scope. What is the importance of microeconomics? 1. Price determination. 2. Free market economy. 3. Foreign trade. 4. Economic model building. 5. Business decisions. 6. Useful to government. And 7. Basis of welfare economics. Moving on to the next part, that is, macroeconomics. Meaning of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the branch of economics which analyzes the entire economy. It deals with the total employment, national income, national output, total investment, total consumption, total savings, general price level, interest rates, inflation, trade cycles, business fluctuations, etc. Thus, macroeconomics is the study of aggregates. Definitions of macroeconomics by J. L. Hansen. Macroeconomics is that branch of economics which considers the relationship between large aggregates such as the volume of employment, total amount of savings, investment, national income. What are the features of macroeconomics? 1. Study of aggregates. 2. Income theory. 3. General equilibrium. 4. Interdependence between aggregate economic variables. 5. Lumping method. 6. Growth models. 7. General price level. And 8. Policy-oriented. Moving on to importance of macroeconomics. 1. Functioning of an economy. 2. Economic fluctuations. 3. National income. 4. Economic development. 5. Performance of an economy. 6. Study of macroeconomic variables. And 7. Level of employment.